starting at 150,000 na bahay, posible yan kay Smart House. Hi mga ka-Smarty! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Smart House Philippines, located at 128 Camuning, Quezon City. Nandito tayo ngayon para i-tour kayo sa aming showroom at sagutin ang inyong mga katanungan. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara na! Dito kay Smart House, meron tayong iba't ibang mga unit. We have patented luxury unit, low cost, premium modular villa, at foldable house. At hindi lang yon, meron din tayong pre-engineered building, warehouse, sport complex, jet hangar, steel parking, at marami pang iba. At kung ang sukat naman ang pinag-uusapan, ito ang aming patented luxury unit which is 3 meters by 6, 18 square meters. Ano nga ba ang inclusion ng mga container houses natin? So una, meron tayong 2 sets ng aluminum sliding window with security grills. We have 1 steel door. Now for electrical, we have 1 switch, main breaker, and then we have 2 outlets, 2 LED lights. Ngayon, sa mga client naman na gusto ng may toilet at kitchen, si Smart House ay nag-offer din ng toilet and kitchen sets. So, marami nagtatanong sa inyo, gaano nga ba katagal ang pag-install ng mga prefab houses namin? Well, ang aming mga container houses, 2 to 3 days lang, kayang-kaya na siyang ma-install. Now, kung namamadali ka, we have our 1-day installation, which is our foldable house. So mga nagtatanong kung mainit ba ang aming unit, well, ang aming unit is fully insulated sa wall and ceiling. At hindi lang yon, fully customizable. Pwedeng combined units, pwede rin 3 patong. At kung lifespan naman ang usapan, ang bawat unit namin ay tumatagal ng 50 years with proper maintenance, which is recommended 1 to 2 years repainting. Dito kay Smart House, we deliver and install nationwide. We have 4 branches in the Philippines, which is here in Quezon City, Iloilo, Cebu, and Davao.